Hello, this is Jonathan Fuller with Basement Crack Repair, a division of Fuller Concrete here in the south suburbs. And with the crack repair, we're going all over Minneapolis, St. Paul, and suburbs to repair those cracked foundations. It happens on almost all of these new concrete walls, and we have a system to come in, patch those up to where you won't have any water leaks, any radon gases coming in or insects, and it only takes about half a day. And you can click the link below to get an instant quote to see if you would like our services. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye.